my CD boost. Oh well. Fuck it.
Holy shit. It's fucking doing it.
I'm not even wrong on it. All of my awesome, like, 80
Hey, you're gonna hit that stump.
Yep, get the stump.
Hold on, we got some stumps that are coming up, so just keep ready.
It's so underpowered, though, it doesn't really spin the car. And incline.
Are you in high right now?
No, he's in low.
I was gonna say.
Oh!
Start time.
You ready? Tree coming up.
Here comes the Josie Hill.
Tree coming up. Get ready to duck. Yeah. I'm even ducking in here. Here we go! We're going! Yeah! Hit the stumps! Hit the stumps! Right over! Woo!
That
I can't believe this didn't roll over.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna do a wheel. Alright.
We get out for the next part.
I don't know.
I'm filming it
Just so
going
you don't
down.
slide into a fucking tree.
And you weren't taking any video?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay, good.
I wish it was standing.
How are those car tires? Those are not car tires. Those are our cheapest car tire that we sell at work. $150 full. Oh my god. Yeah. No brakes! Oh no!
Why did that thing just walk over? Hopefully they'd be buckled and take it into the closest tree. Look at it, it's not even fucking, it's not even trying. I'm having a hard fucking time.